Today I'm enjoying a little round of mini golf together with my family. Probably I'm going to lose again, my son is much stronger, but who knows, I make a hole in one. Yeah? It's not a hole in one. Of course, you don't have to play golf to get a golfer elbow. But do you remember what the clinical image is of golfer elbow? Well, patients have pain over here. Perhaps they have some radiation over there. And what do you find in the functional examination? Well, of course, the resisted wrist flexion is painful, and possibly also the resisted pronation is painful. But an important element is going to be the palpation. We describe two types of golfer elbow. We have one type over here, the tenoperiosteal aspect, and the second type is a little bit more distal. This is the musculotendinous junction. But the most common version is the tenoperiosteal version. And it's important that when you treat this version, that when you use shockwave, needling techniques, friction massage, you really hit the spot over here. Make sure you don't treat the medial epicondyle itself, because that could be tender on palpation, but the problem lies over there. So take care of your palpation.